Hi students, now I am going to teach a topic of moving iron instrument. Let's start the topic. Moving iron instrument is of two types: attraction type moving iron instrument and repulsion type moving iron instrument. So let's start attraction type moving iron instrument. So this is attraction type moving iron instrument. So the simple logic behind it is how deflection torque is produced in it. Force between a current carrying coil and a soft iron disc. Force between a current carrying coil and soft iron disc. So this is your phase, neutral, this is your neutral, this is your neutral. So what current entering, current leaving, okay now? So this is a hollow dumbbell. It is wounded. The next, this is our spindle, the pivot and jewel bearings. This is pivot and jewel bearings. The next, attraction force. It is using spring control. It is using spring control. Okay, now let's have a description of it. Here, dumbbell made up of iron, current passing through the iron, make it into a electromagnetic material as a current going into and coming out, as current going into and coming out, then the polarity changes. Respectively. Then the polarity changes respectively. Due to opposite polarity, magnetic field will generate from north to south. Due to this magnetic field, attraction force will generate. attraction force will generates this attraction force will attract the soft iron disc later. This attraction force will convert into rotating force. As a soft iron disc starts rotating, the corresponding spindle will also start rotating, and finally as a result deflection torque force will generate. Deflection torque force will generate, which help the pointer to move, which help the pointer to move. Finally, electrical convert. Finally, electric current convert into mechanical force. Next. In case of AC, polarity of magnetic field will change alternatively but it has no effect on the attraction force direction. But in PMMC, the change in current direction affect the force direction. So then let's start. Our next topic is repulsion type moving iron instrument. See, the same repulsion type principle is same, but if we make a 90 degrees shift, to attraction type instrument, then it is repulsion type instrument. If we make, the only point is if we make 90 degrees shift to attraction type instrument, it is repulsion type moving iron instrument. So the same current passing and current leaving here, the same spindle here, spindle is placed here. One is moving iron rod, one is fixed iron rod. The same scale and pointer mechanism. Spring control is used. If we make ,90 degrees shift to the attraction type moving iron instrument, then it will become a repulsion type instrument. Then it will become a repulsion type instrument. Hence, the handle is totally vacant or hollow. Inside this handle, we place a spindle. And this spindle is kept by jewel bearing. A spindle is attached to the handle. A spindle is attached to the handle through two iron metal. One is fixed and other is movable. And other is movable. Hence, when the current is passing through the coil, the two iron metal having same polarity due to same polarity the two iron pieces start repulsing. Then the moving iron start repulsing to some distance the spindle starts rotating and as soon as your deflecting torque TD will generate. Finally, electric current will convert into mechanical force and pointer starts rotating. This is MI, LM, RM, this is ZM. LM is fixed coil, self-inductance. RM is fixed coil, resistance. The next relation between input and output. Let's see in the coming lecture. Thanking you.